To our channel guys, my name is Sneha and today I'm gonna answer the most common question asked by all the students, that how many hours should I study? Now guys, you can see it out here, I've written it. How many hours do I need to study? Now guys, do you think this question is sensible? Do you think asking such question, if you are a student who is going to appear for the MBA entrance exams and you're going to be soon placed after the examinations in a top-notch company, you're going to be the next manager, you're going to control all the people, do you think this question actually has a proper answer to it, that how many hours should I study? Now guys, if you are so much determined, if you are so much focused that you want to achieve your set targeted goal, this question should not be in your mind. When you're coming or when you're thinking ki yeah, I have to study, I am going to prepare for the MBA entrance exam, for CAT, for SNAP, for CET, for SAT, name any of the exam or any particular thing which you have to study, the amount or the time you're going to invest is not being justified by anyone. It is yourself. It is you who's going to decide that how much efforts you need to put in on daily basis, on weekly basis, or maybe on monthly basis. You are aware, you know the goal which is there, you know the syllabus, you know how you need to prepare, you know how many time is left for the examination, everything is upfrontly with you. I mean, you already know the things. So guys, asking this question, first ask yourself how much time will it require for you to achieve that goal. Guys, asking this question to us is like, we'll be telling you ki it requires 6 months to prepare for the examination. We'll be completing your syllabus, right? We'll be completing, there'll be daily 3 hours of lectures, or maybe 2 hours, or maybe 4 hours of lectures. But guys, the hours, the time, the investment which you're going to put is totally upon you. So guys, please don't fall for this question. I'm expecting an answer from anyone that give 2 hours daily or maybe give 3 hours daily. Guys, you should understand your set goal and you should focus on that and give time as per it. Plan a schedule. The question which you should actually ask, if you are aware that you have set a target for the particular college or maybe for the examination, is what I need to do to achieve that goal. What are the things I should be doing? If you ask me, ma'am, how should I start preparing, I'll give you the answers which are there. If you'll ask me what are the types of questions which I should study so that I can improve my quant or maybe logic or verbal, I'll be giving you answers to that to improvise. The hours are not sufficient, the time limit is not sufficient. So guys, always stay focused while you are preparing for just examination. Don't set a timeline कि मुझे 1 घंटा ही पढ़ना है. You are not in school guys कि आपको आपकी मम्मी बोल रही है कि बेटा 1 घंटा पढ़ लो बस हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे ये चीज़ नहीं चलने वाली है. So guys, don't do this. Don't set a timeline for yourself because you're not going to achieve anything from it. You know your goal. Set a timetable, or else you can visit us. Or all the students who are there, if you guys are facing any issue for setting your timetable, anything, you can come approach me. I'll set a timetable for you guys and follow that. The hours, the time, there is no limit for it. It's totally upon you. So yeah, this was a small, you can say a video which I wanted to post because I had this questions being asked by many of them. Still, if you want to ask this question, I will be answering it and I'll be giving you a best solution. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also on Instagram, we do post some daily content for MBA entrance exam, and such motivation is required, I feel, right? So press the bell icon and also the like button. Thank you.